So I think most of the time is up, but still, now if I just change this question a little bit, if you understand my explanation, now I can give you many different types of this particular question. So that is why I am stressing about this question, because I can ask you this question in any way. Okay, so I just change this question, like I will say that given, now I will change this one, given sigma a plus b. Now just forget about this part, and I will say w belongs to something like a sigma star, and x belongs to a sigma plus. Now what exactly be the output of these? Okay, so tell me what will be fifth. Okay, so anybody just tell me in the chat box. Is this a regular language or not? WWR. If I change the condition to this one, just say yes or no. But don't worry if you are wrong. Don't worry about it. I think in the process of learning, anything can be wrong. Okay. So again, the thing is similar here, that because W is a sigma here, but you can assign WWR as sigma. Don't worry, that is okay. But there are other string in that one also. So I can assign W and WR as sigma, but what happens about other string that a and b is also included in that language? Okay, suppose I can say that a and b and a. Suppose I will ask you that this particular string belongs to this WWR. So you will say that I will assign a lambda here and I will assign a lambda here, and I will say w is this and I will say wr is this. But what about this center part? Okay, so there is no particular variable exist for this particular thing. So another way you will say that this is not belonging to a particular language WWR. So you always have to look. Now you cannot fix your size, fix your W to a lambda here, because if you fix it lambda, so this language will only contain lambda. It will only contain a epsilon, but that is not the case. Okay, so that particular string ABBA is also lying in the language. Okay, so AB, and what is the reversal of it? This is also lying in the language. In the similar way, if this is ABA, and this is also is a part of this language. Okay, you cannot fix this to lambda here, so you can fix it for one case, but there is no variable present that kind of absorb the middle part or any other part of it. So that is why you have to remember this part. So you have to remember this part. Okay, for remembering, you do not have any memory, you can directly say that this is again not a regular language. Okay, now clearly see this one is this sixth language is a regular one or not? Just take a little bit of time and tell me. Now what changed here? Can you sign W? Just, okay, so let me see if anybody given the answer. Yeah, I think most of you are correct. Yes, this is a regular language, because in this particular language, you can assign the value of W as lambda. Okay, so if I give a particular string like this one, you can assume that uh, I think this and this is your W and this is your WR. So all of the things will be absorbed in X, and you can write this expression as, because I just want at least a single length X here, you can write this expression as A plus B plus followed by a lambda and lambda, or epsilon and epsilon, and a lambda is W here and a lambda is WR here. Okay, so that is why this is a regular language. Okay, so now can you know that now I think it is a similar question. So if it is right from the forward, it is right from behind also. Okay, so that is also a regular language. Now tell me about this one. Okay, so that is the interesting thing. Is this a regular one or not? Take your time, just think about it for a minute. I think just let me see. I think Saksham has given the answer and Vineet also given the answer as yes. So just yeah, I think that is correct, because if you see that you can assign W as lambda and WR as lambda also. So lambda, I just you always use lambda in this question, so don't get confused. I'm telling you about this is epsilon. So you can write the x here as a plus b plus. Okay, so because the value of x should be at least of one length, you can assign it like this. So that is the reason here. Okay, so only that is the reason. So this is again a regular language. So again, I can again try another variant, that by changing the value of this one as plus and this one as x. There are many variants that are present here that I can ask you any variant in the exam. So that is why I said that this kind of a question is also possible for this one, what you do. Okay, so, so just if you do not understand this one, so it will be very difficult for you if I take out the variant of this question. So that is why I'm just telling you about it, because these are the, I think that these are the most frequently asked questions. So if you take any GATE exam, any NET exam, any TIFR exam, also any other exam, that BAIL exam that you would give for getting into PSUs, they also contain this kind of a question. This kind of a question is very frequently asked question. That is why I'm taking so much time on this. Okay, so if you still don't understand it, just let me know. I will again try to repeat it from the best of my knowledge. Okay, so this is based on Arden's method. I just want to know that if you remember this part, so just tell me what exactly is the answer here. So assume that is this is q1 and that is q2. Okay, so I just want to see that if you're doing something, that you are able to solve this or not. Okay, so just try to solve this and tell me the regular expression by using Arden's method. Okay, so I don't know the solution. By looking at your answer, I will tell you the solution. Okay, so just try it for 5 minutes. I just want you to remember that Arden's method is also a very important concept. Okay. I think all of you have forgotten about this Arden's method. Okay, take like 2 minutes more and tell me the solution of this. Okay, so anyone just tell me the solution. I just want to know that you remember this method. Okay, I think Saksham has got the right answer. Just let me see. It is saying 0 star 0 plus 1 star followed by a 1. So it is always ending with 1. Just let me see. Uh, okay, so you can verify the again when you are doing Orden's method, always at the end of it, always try to verify your regular expression by just taking a look at your automata. Okay, so I think it is starting with 0 star. Yes, absolutely. Now it 1 1 0. So I think it is always ending with 1. Yes, absolutely. Any number of zeros can come and ones can come. So just let me see. Any number of ones can absolutely come. After that, any number of zeros can absolutely come. After that, any number of ones can. Yeah, absolutely. So this one is the correct regular expression by Saksham. So Saksham, well done. So just try it. I don't think that you are not revising everything. So you have very less amount of time. I think 2 or 3 days, and in that days also your lectures are coming and going. So please, hope that you are reading everything, and if you have any kind of doubt, I'm always there. Okay, so don't worry about the doubt. Everything is very easy. If you understand automata, it is a very easy subject, and I have already told you that this is one of the most scoring subject that you can get. Okay, so okay, so I will again, this is again based on the same thing. Just I will tell you about the one pattern that I have told some, but in some tudes and in some tudes the pattern is not told. So that is why I have taken this question and I will tell you a pattern in this one also. Okay, so just let me again let me share a little bit of a revision for you, like on Mentimeter. Okay, so I just share the question and want to see that if you remember some things or if you've forgotten about it. Okay, so just let me share the thing link for Mentimeter here. Just wait for a second. Just let me see. Okay, I think I have given you many questions. So weekly quizzes, I think, are going on absolutely. Then we again do this interactive session for this kind of questions also. So there are also 5 to 10 questions in this one, and then there is also a 10 questions I have done. So I think the questions are in quite abundance. So if you just revise the concepts, you just look for the